Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add this testimonials to your Shopify store. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go to Section Store, but if you don't have Section Store installed, all you need to do is go to apps.shopify, okay, and then click on the Shopify App Store here, and then we search for Section Store. And then right here, as you can see, mine says open, says I already have it, but it should say install for you if you don't have it. So just click on install right here. Again, mine says open, it is free to install. So once you've installed that, you can go back here and go to apps and click on section store. So right here, we search for testimonials. Oh, this one. And then right here, it does cost a small fee of $9. However, if you do pay for that, you can own it forever. It is very useful since it is like this. The reviews pop up like this, so it is really great for your website. It will save you a lot of time. And yeah, that is basically it. Once you've bought it, you can just add it as a theme for your Shopify store. You can just edit however you like. And yeah, that is it. There are also different testimonials like this, and you can choose what testimonials you like. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.